Come right back. All right.
Oh,
Hate when that happen.
me too. It just showed me several live, but oh, there it is.
That's the new one with the pan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, we're back. We're back. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming back. Come on in. Sometimes, thank you, Melinda. Thank you for coming back. Thank you guys for coming back.
Thank you guys for coming back.
Yeah. Sometimes it allows us to play music and with no problem. Sometimes it doesn't. So it's moody. Thank you, Marie. Thank you for coming back. Thank you, Laurel.
Thank you, Monique,
Thank
Melinda.
you, Monique. Thank Andrea.
Andrea
Good night.
Brown, good evening.
Night. Yeah, thank you guys for coming back. Anyways, we're gonna get started. So we have a game tonight, but before we get into the game, let me.
Mine not act up.
Well,
But
after.
my phone. Come on and go back in. There.
Thank you for coming back, Cheryl.
Marsha Lee Brown.
Marsha Lee Brown, what's up?
Laverne,
What's up,
good
Queen?
night.
What's up?
Thank you so much, Nation.
Yeah, so let's get caught up on where we're at with our barrels giveaway. It's gonna be at the end of May because we have a lot going on right now. Vanilla is preparing for her daughter's graduation, and we're planning our graduation party, and on top of that we have other things going on.
Yes.
And when we have other things in our lives going on, we take care of those first, business before pleasure, of course. So once we're through with all the stuff that we have going on in our lives right now, we're gonna be coming on to do our barrels giveaway.
Yeah.
We have a clothing barrel, which I've already showed all the pieces that are gonna go inside the clothing barrel. It's gonna be up to the winner whether they want us to ship door to door, whatever is most convenient for them. We'll take care of it from start to finish.
Yep.
We, in addition to the food and the clothes barrel, we're going to be giving away $100 for Shein. Shall I name Shein?
Yes.
For Shein, for someone to shop on Shein, they can get whatever they want for the $100. I just wanted someone.
Thank you so much, Nation.
Yeah. Good night, Gillette. Bella, good night. Yeah, so we want to give someone who's not my size the opportunity to win something as well.
Right.
Or if it's a king, to be able to win
Get something. Yep.
as well. So they have the
Want to be fair.
Yeah, so outside of the my clothing barrel, it's called a barrel of love from my closet. Yes. Some are barely worn and some aren't. And I've already showed all the pieces on here. The videos are there. Usually when we ship a barrel, when we used to do the barrel of love, we would show us packing everything inside the barrel of love. But I don't think we're going to come on live to pack the clothes because I found it to be I can't pay attention to the live and pack. But I usually make a video for everything that we send off because, you know, this is social media, and not to say there aren't good people out there, but we like to cover ourselves. So I will make a video and have that. I won't post it. I'll have it just for reference, or if something should go wrong, from when I pack it to when the shipping company comes to my garage and retrieve the barrel. I do that for every barrel that I've sent. I still have those videos.
We still have those videos.
Yes.
Yep.
So,
and the receipts.
Right. And it's the same thing for these two barrels. It's a food barrel. We won't stack the food barrel until we have a winner. So at the end of May, we're going to have a game, and it is to win my clothing barrel, the food barrel, in addition to the Shein shopping, the gift card. I'm just going to call it a gift card for Shein, right?
Yep.
So I ask that anybody who wants to participate pay attention to all the videos that we've been doing, because we're not just gonna give it to someone who smiles at us.
Right.
You understand? We have to work for everything we have. And I don't think playing a game is that difficult. If you really want it, then you will put a little effort into getting it. It's not limited to anyone. Wherever we can ship to, we will ship it. If it's next door you live, which I doubt it, I will ship it to you.
Right, and
So
if you don't want to give us your real name, you can give us a fake name.
Yes,
It's okay.
if we don't take anything personal for anybody's personal information to social media. Not at all. Not unless you want us to do so. If I've ever posted a video of someone that we've given something to, they ask us to post it. Yeah, we're not going to take it upon ourselves to put your name out there, your real... No, we don't do that.
We're not going to do that.
Even if I see you somewhere crucifying me, and I know that you have my barrel from my closet, I will just look at you in the comment and say, God be with you. But I won't come out here and disgrace anyone, because what I do is from my heart.
It's from the heart.
Yes.
Yep.
And it's sincere. It's what I always wanted to do, and I'm doing it as I go along, no matter how small or big it is. This is what I've always wanted to do from I was young, growing up in Jamaica. I said, wherever life takes me, and if I'm able to give back, I will do so, no matter how big or how small it is. And that's what I've been doing. Yes? So, that's how it's gonna work. Yeah?
Jackie Gross, Lorraine
Jackie
Sterling
Gross,
Golden,
pick up yourself. Lorraine
Maxine
Sterling.
Thomas,
Maxine.
Elizabeth Prince.
I hope you guys have enjoyed the little pieces of my vacation. Usually, most of the times, I don't show anything. But I felt compelled, you know, based on what was going on social media, to be honest, because I'm an honest person. When I came out and I, you know, respond to certain allegation, I said that I would show my where I was going, so I stuck to my commitment in doing so. Usually I don't do things like that because it doesn't matter to me what people perceptions are of me. Once I know that it's not true, you know, I just go about my business. But sometimes, you know, especially when people are dragging your family or not on social media into things, you know, it's a little bit irritating. Yeah? You know, especially speaking on my husband, who is not a social media person. Right? Thank you
That's
so
right.
much.
Vacation up to Blossenskirt. That's right.
Thank you. I always have an amazing time with Mike. You know, pulling my husband into situations that he doesn't belong in because he's not on social media. When we started out social media, our husbands, they were willing to help build our platform with us. So in the early stages of us being out here, if you go back, you'll notice that they used to come into like, you know, when we have pranks and we compete in games with each other. They made the sacrifices, even though they didn't want to be a part of social media. They made those sacrifices for us to build up our platform. Once they thought we were okay, they were like, you know, we don't want to be a part of social media.
This is about
chocolate and vanilla. And from time to time, they'll still come on in supporting us, you know, because I have a very supportive husband. And the thing about it is my queens,
Kings and queens.
I'm talking specifically to my queens tonight. This is one thing I want to make clear, right? I don't feel like I'm better than anyone because I've been in a marriage for 32 years. Yes? And I'm sure as hell not gonna feel bad because I've only given myself to one individual. I know that I'm fortunate because I have nieces, I have friends, you know, and I have tons of females in my family. So I know how fortunate I am. And I know life too. You know, I live in this world. You understand? I know for many women out there, they didn't just give up their bodies because they wanted to. They were in relationships that they thought would work out. Most women I know want love, want respect, want a good man, want someone who's supportive, and want to be in a stable and steady relationships. And I know that, women also, they've ended up in relationships thinking it would work out, and it never worked out, and they ended up giving themselves to that man, and they move on to another relationship, and it just didn't work out as well. For some reason, things goes wrong. I know that. I know that I'm fortunate enough to found the qualities that I wanted from a young age into one man. I never came out here to paint a perfect marriage. No, it's not perfect for everyone, but it's perfect for me. Because from a young age, I used to look at relationships, and I knew what I wanted. I used to look at my dad and the way he loved my mom. I always said to myself, I want that quality in a man. I want a man that loves me just like that, because he would walk around with my mom's picture inside his pocket, his shirt pocket, and everybody he would show, my mom too, and I love that about him. He would just show up from work with a box food back in them days, a box food for her, and a box food and a thing, stuff like that. So I used to look at those things and those qualities in my dad, and I said, I want a husband like that. My dad didn't take my mom for a maid. They would split the responsibilities. My dad wasn't afraid to sweep the yard, to cook, if my mom had something to do. And those are things that I looked at as a little girl, and I said I wanted that. And then on the other hand, there were relationships where, friends of mine, mom were getting abused, or women in my family, and I would look at that and be like, that's not what I want. I would never let someone treat me like that. I don't want someone to treat me like that. So I know that I'm fortunate, and I'm not going to come out here and speak badly about my husband if he's not a bad person, because God is looking down on me. You know what I mean? And if he was opposite of who I said he is, I would be the first one to come out, because I can't stay in misery. I'm not used to that. I'm the wash belly of my mom and my dad, so I'm used to extra spoiling more than all my siblings. Yeah, I'm used to that, so I couldn't be with a man who's treating me less than how my dad treated me. I couldn't do it. So I wouldn't be in a relationship with my husband if he was that type of person. And I'm not going to come on here just because people are going to, think that I never look at anyone and think that I'm better. No, because I know how life is. As much as I have Mike and we've been together for so many years, we work on our marriage to create something beautiful. It wasn't always easy, but we learn in the process of us being together. We learn to put God in the center of our marriage. We learn how to keep out people from our marriage, because we understand that it's a sacred union, and whatever we needed to work on, we work on it for each other, because we really wanted to be together. Yeah, so I'm not going to come out here and paint my husband as a bad person when he's not. And I'm not going to come out here and be miserable just to make others feel good about themselves and for me and them to be on the same level. You understand? The bottom line of me talking tonight is I don't think I'm better than anyone if they've been with multiple partners, because I know how life is, and I know that I am, you know, I am unique in a sense. Not that there isn't other people out there exist like myself, but I'm not gonna feel bad because I committed myself to someone that has the qualities that I was looking for. You understand? I'm not gonna do that. And I'm not gonna feel bad for not letting Tom, Dick, and Harry slept with Tom, Dick, and Harry to feel like a woman. I found all that I wanted in one person. Yeah, and you know what I mean? So that's what I just wanted to explain tonight, that I don't think that I'm better than a woman who has multiple partners, because Vanilla has more partners than I do, and I love her just as I love her. I don't look down on her, because everybody has their own journey in life. Everybody gonna have their own experiences in life. You know what I mean? Even if you're a prostitute out there and you have a man that comes into your life and is willing to give you all the things that you need, stability, support, and be there for you in every sense of the word, you're gonna put that as, you're gonna leave that. You're gonna stop doing that, because you have found the person that you are looking for. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. Yeah. So even if you're that person, I don't look down on you, because you got to be in a situation to choose that path, in my mind. Yeah, I'm not saying you don't have women out there who are promiscuous and just throw themselves around, but majority of the women that I've encountered, they always wanted love and commitment, and to be in a good relationship.
For that special person.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and looking for that special person. One woman that I know don't just want to sleep with this one and that one and that one. It's just situations that happen that causes them to have that experience.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm never gonna feel bad for that, as long as it lasts, because I am not God. But for what I have now, I'm very, very thankful. And like I said, I place God in the center of my marriage. Yes, and I knew that I found my soulmate from a young girl, based on the respect that I've been given. Yes, based on how I'm treated, based on communication, based on shared responsibilities, based on cheering for me, pushing me when I was insecure about things, always making me feel like I'm the most beautiful woman on earth. You know what I'm saying? And that has been going on for 32 years now. Why should why should I let that be a bad thing? Why should I say that's a bad thing? Or why should I come out here and let it seem like I've had other experiences when I don't? I can only speak on what I've experienced. And I never came out and say Mike was perfect or anything like that. He's perfect for me. Yeah. It's perfect for me. And when I have family members who have, my nieces, they've always told us, I want a marriage like yours. So they gotta see something that's good. My daughter says the same thing. So, you know, there's no pretending out here, because I cannot stand misery. I'm telling you guys, I can't. I cannot stand misery. I prefer to be alone than be unhappy, literally, like that song says. I'd rather be alone than be unhappy or to fake anything. Yeah, I can't speak on things I don't know. I have to speak on things that I do know. Yes? So I'm never ever gonna feel bad for not having multiple partners in my life. I'm never gonna feel bad for that, because I think I found multiple partner in that one person. The different experiences that I've had with this person, and a lot of my friends, not even friends associate who have met him says, I wish you could clone him and give me a copy of him. You know what I mean? And that's for now, because I don't know what the future holds. But we're taking it one day at a time.
That's all you can do.
Doing and just being good to each other and loving each other and supporting each other and continue to build on the foundation that we have for our daughter, our granddaughter. And I can't wait to sit and tell her the amazing love story of me and her grandfather. Yes, I cannot wait. And nobody is going to ever take that away from us.
No.
My family, people who knows us are on here watching, that there isn't a lie spoken. And from I know that, and because I'm aware of that, then ain't nothing can stop us. You know how many people have tried. Yeah? Social media ain't gonna do it. No matter the lies, no matter the stories, no matter what. Our love is built with God as the foundation, because that's one thing from the get-go. Because I can't remember myself outside a church ever. I cannot. And that was a criteria right there. You have to believe in God. Yes, you have to. Because everything I do, He is the center of it. Yes. So that's what I want to make clear. Queen, everyone who has been watching your live would have known you both are. You, Queen, never look down on others. You are all... I don't look down on people.
Not looking down at anybody.
No, people have their insecurities. And that's something I can't help. You understand? I can't help if you're insecure, or, you know, if you're just a person who wants to just see us and hate us. I can't prevent that. I know that there are people like that out there. But I'm talking to you, my queens, tonight. I don't look down on people, not unless I'm willing to help them up. That's me.
That's it.
That's me, bottom line. Yes? I don't support people for clout. No. I don't do that. Or for any ulterior motives behind it. I don't do that.
Not doing
Even
that.
People who have blocked us, understand? We left our number there. We didn't unfollow. You understand? That's just how we are. Because we weren't doing it because of clout.
We weren't doing it for follow either.
Or for follow.
No.
We don't do that. We genuinely saw something in you, and we gravitate towards it, or whether it was a referral and we decided, okay, let's take the chance and go see what that person is about. They turn around and for some reason decided to block us, then all due respect, we go our separate ways. There's no need for shading and stuff like that. We don't come out on our platform and try to shade anyone, you know. So we just move on. If we notice that you don't want to have anything to do with us, then we just say okay, and we just keep it moving, you know, because, you know, there's no reason for me to stop and shade anyone. What shading is gonna do? It's not going to do anything. It's either you like us or you don't, or you were liking us for some reason, then you decided to change your mind. Life goes on. We keep moving.
Yeah.
You understand? I didn't sit around and wait on likes to get where I'm at in life. No. It wasn't about social media to where to what I've achieved in life. I kept it moving. I've been on jobs, guys, and I've got promoted. I've been on jobs with friends, and I've got promoted to where I now became their assistant manager. And these are girls that I used to go to lunch with every single day. And when I got promoted, they stopped speaking to me. I ended up having to go to lunch by myself. But you know what? I still did my job. I sat by myself and I continued to work. I didn't quit my job because they weren't speaking to me, because at the end of the day, they weren't the ones that I was there for. I was there to do a job. I was there to make my money and to better my life. So when they notice that, and that's one thing about the Jamaica culture that I like too. That's one thing about the Jamaica culture what I like. It's like if people are chat to you, you're not here. Me have that mentality. Like, I don't care. You understand me? At the beginning, I felt away because I'm human, but I'm not going to show it. But I'm going to get to the point where, like, you don't exist. And that's the point I got to. Like, okay. And they thought I was going to come chase them. I wasn't at work to chase you. They stopped speaking to me totally. And I kept on showing up. I kept on sitting by myself until eventually they all found their way back into speaking to me. Because I knew within myself I haven't done anything to these people. Yeah? All I did was got a promotion. That's it. And I busted my butt. You know, but of course, I'm Jamaican. I have an accent. And they didn't look at the part that when they went home, I was still there. When they were goofing off, I was sitting there on numerous lunch breaks trying to learn, yeah, before started hanging out with them on lunch, yeah, doing extra, not just what is expected of me, but going above and beyond. They didn't look at that. They just look at the fact that she had just came here and within 6 months, she got promoted. You understand? Yes. But I kept on working. So those are things, experiences that I've had in my life that I had to endure. Not only that, I remember too, I was working at this job, and again, yeah, I had friends there, and one of the friends in my circle, she bought a townhouse, and they had a housewarming. And I was so happy for her. I went out, I got, gifts for home warming and stuff. I went to the party there with them, hung out. It was wonderful, wonderful. When I bought my townhouse and I had a party and I invited them, the next day, they were not speaking to me at all. At all. So, yeah. Just because, guess what? My townhouse was bigger, yes, and it appears to be nicer. So for that reason, they weren't speaking to me. And I continue showing up to work. I worked through it. I didn't miss a day. Because you know what? Once I'm focusing in on what I want to do, ain't nobody gonna break me. Yes. Ain't nobody gonna break me. So these are things you experience in life, so these things aren't new to me. It's just that it's virtual. You understand? It's not new to me. And people, when I bought my home out here, there was another home, not this one, another home that a builder was building for me, right? And whenever the realtor would send me information, fax me information, because I didn't have a fax machine at home. This was when I was living in New Hampshire before I relocated out here. The manager would get my faxes and she would put them in the shredder. She would, yes, she read all the stuff coming through about my house and all the information from the builders and everything, and she would put them in the shredder and shred them. I wasn't aware of this, but the realtor, every time, I've always confirmed the fax number, and I'm like, I'm not getting the faxes. She's like, I just faxed it to you like half an hour ago. And I said, I'm not getting the fax. I don't know what's going on. All this time, the manager would be there, heard my conversation,
And didn't say
and
anything.
didn't say anything until one day I took out I was it's on this desk, and the shredder was under the desk, and I was trying to shred something, and for some reason it stuck in the shredder. So I pull out the shredding thing, because it was just sitting on top of the bucket, right? And I pulled it out, and I started pulling out the stuff, and then I saw the name of the realtor on top of the document. Yes?
So you knew somebody was shredding, you just didn't know who.
It was just her and I at that time in that office.
Wow.
It was her and I at that time in the office. And I haven't said anything to her up until today. Yeah, I just found another way for her to send me the faxes. Yeah, she shredded all my house documents that were coming to me.
That's
Stuff
crazy.
for me
Jealousy.
to sign and all of that. So I'm
Jealousy.
used to I've encountered things in life that never stopped me. Yeah, I could go on and on and on. You know, even with Mike. You know, I've stayed at family's house, and there were jealousy about Mike and I.
Yeah.
At that time, we didn't have phones to talk to each other. It was more letters.
I remember.
And they took my letters, and I found them. You were there. You know, took the letters and hid them, read them and hid them, and I found stacks and stacks of letters trying to keep us apart. So we've endured so much. You know,
all over jealousy.
Yeah, so I've been through some things. So this on here is a walk in the park for me, because these things happen in real life where I couldn't turn off the camera. This is easy. I can just switch off the camera and don't come out here. You understand? But these are things that were in my face. I had to work with.
You had to deal with.
Think about working with a manager. And because at that time you're like, I'm on my way out, I don't want to, anything bad to happen, go against my references, 'cause you know what I mean? I wanted to leave on a good term. I haven't said anything to her up until today. Yes. And she's from Bosnia. Yes. And I remember that. Experience is the best teacher.
It is.
Absolutely.
It is.
But when you are determined, yes, ain't nobody can stop you. Yeah?
And sometimes
Nobody.
you have to let those that are envious of you and judging you to be your motivator to do more, to go harder.
Absolutely. So those are things, like I said, my queens that I've been through. But I don't look down on anyone. Not at all. I'm so not judgmental. Yes? I'm
Not
so
judgmental
not
at all.
judgmental. Yes? I don't think I'm better than anyone because I'm living in a nice home, or I have this or I have that. No. People drag me into those things out here, because it never occurred to me that I needed to come and show off my house or talk about my table, something like a damn table. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, those things, a table, that's so mediocre to me. You know what I mean? But I have to, I had to do that. You understand?
Yes.
To let someone know that I'm not, because I'm nice, you can't walk over me.
Right.
You cannot walk over me. You can probably do so on social media, but to be honest with you, I would just prefer to just thump you in your face and get over with it. I'm that type of girl. To be honest with you, I'm that type of girl.
True.
Yeah, I'm talk Master Baker, and I say I'm afraid for do this and that's all an act. Like in real life, I would just thump you in your face, and I just saw you go. Yeah? I just saw you go. Lick you in your face with a big stone and call it a day. You understand? I just saw you go. It was if I chat back and forth, chatting, that's not me. You understand? I want to see something. I want to see result. I don't like waste my time talk and not see no result. I like something to happen. That's how I stay. I feel like I waste my time if something not happen. Like how we play the game tonight, if there's a reward, I not play. That's how I stay. I not tell them enough to play now. If you're not going to, but I like to gain something from my time. I don't like waste my time. If me come somewhere where you invite me and it's boring, me will get up and leave. Or some stay.
True, we do that.
But we get up and left. Me not care who you be. Yeah. Me not like spend my money, go somewhere and not have a good time. Me give you no chocolate in a nutshell.
True.
Yeah, you will look for me and me end up missing.
Yeah? You can't find me.
You can't find me.
Yep.
Yeah, and some stay. Me like for, if me go for entertain, me like for be entertained. You understand? Whatever me go for, that me want. Yeah? I just some stay. So right now, it want a back and forth thing is not me. Yeah, it totally out of my character when me have to come out here and defend myself. Me not like them a foolishness that to me, a waste of time. That ain't going nowhere. Me want to day here I do things when me know so there's a result at the end of it. You understand me? Yeah, I saw the thing said. Yeah, I saw the thing said. Yeah. Yeah, me and I want a bag of talk and a long talk business. Me's not a chatty person. You see, blood? Me just want to know say if me you have something and you feel the way about me, alright, do something about it then. Make we do something about it. Yeah, make we do something. And you're not gonna just beat me up, sir. In a go, sir. It really don't go, sir. It don't go, sir.
You're not gonna get away with it.
It not go, sir.
No.
Yeah.
Not get on without a fight.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, just want to make that clear. And who's been watching us now from the beginning, you know that Vanilla and I, we've been consistent in who we are. We support who we support, and we will not stop supporting who we support.
That's right.
Not unless they've done something to us.
They have to do something to us in order for us to stop.
Exactly. At the end of the day, we try to support as many people as we can. We can't be on everybody's lives. It's impossible. So sometimes we'll just pass through and say, send in love, or put up some hearts and we're gone. Because we're busy.
Or just passing through, just wanted to big you up.
We can't. We don't see everything because we don't live on here. You understand? But when we see, we react if it's something that we like. Yeah? You understand? And not every time I go up on people live, them see me and can acknowledge me. And I'm not sensitive like that because I'm on the other side of the camera and I know that you can miss. You can miss comments. Yes? So I don't go looking for if I say hello and the person don't say back hello, me I gotta take it to heart and oh my God, oh they don't like me, oh my God, Jesus got me dead. No. They see fine. If they don't see, still fine. I'll still go back and say hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Not unless they say something out of their mouth now about chocolate or I mean no. Yeah. You have to say my name though and talk about me. You can't just come tell me say I'm me. The person I talk. We know who we talk about me. We know the people that we talk about me per year. Yeah, we're not idiots. Yeah. We're not naive either.
No, we're not.
Yeah. But we're not in it. You want to go, you go. And I will always love you. We can do that too. You understand? Yeah. Yes.
We can also say, don't let the door hit you with a good Lord split you.
Yeah.
I mean, hey.
Nothing in life is permanent. You understand?
No.
Yes. Any good chocolate, I'm going on vacation in a few months. Can I get the details of the hair? The details of my hair. Lord Jesus, you want me to give you the detail of my hair pan life? What are this for me? No, sir. Hit me up in a message. I will tell you how me get me here. If they can remember. Me get me here. My wigs them from so many different places. It's not even funny. Yeah, I love wigs. Yeah. Anybody don't know that about me, don't know me by now. Yeah, and I become insecure, me just love wigs. That's it. Me just love wrap my wigs. Me just love dress a certain way coming pan live. You know, all when I pour on there Jamaica, me have clothes for yard, me have clothes for go shop, and me have clothes if me go market different from church. Yeah, I just like me have a certain way me dress to come pan live. Nobody not gonna take that away from me and make me feel like say me no real, because me like to take my shower and like to put on my nice wig and come on live and brush my teeth and lotion my body most of the times. 99.9% of the time. Yes. And just some stay. Just very girly. Hey. Yeah, man. Everybody know how me look without my wig. Will live with me. Sleep with me. You understand me? I ain't have my family. I just like, oh. I may not look different. I just I think sad.
Patricia.
Straight up, yes.
That's it.
I just some mistake. Sunday when me there
That's
Jamaica.
right, Karen, they do.
Right, Sunday me there Jamaica. You have to when you go to church and come back, you have to put on nice clothes in a yard. You know, put on the old struggle clothes that you have to put on from Monday to Saturday. You understand? You have to put on something presentable on Sunday. I don't know why reason, but that's how me grow up. You understand? Yes. When you go to a road, make sure you wear nice baggy. So me practice that. You understand? For make sure me wear nice underwear. Because my mother say you can drop down a road and I go here, you go to hospital and you don't want to go up there in a tear up baggy. So me practice that. You know, there's just things that me grow up with that me just stick with. You understand? Yes, man.
Sunday best.
Yes. No matter how much can open on me buy, me just take it damn knife and juke it in I can. There's just certain things where me just not let go of. No matter how much money me have, me still love a good dirty girl with some white rice. And nobody not gonna make me no damn dirty girl. Me love dirty girl with white rice. You understand me? Yes, man. And me love liver and fried dumpling. Yes. Yes, man, me love liver. There's just certain things you can't take out of me. You cannot take it out of me. Yes. I don't like me can't buy hog steal. But a girl will bust up tin and mackerel in a minute. Yes, man. You understand? I mean, I have to tell nobody so me can't buy hog steal either. Yes, me not feel like me have to justify and tell people what me can do. Yes. Me not feel like me have to justify going and anywhere me go me have to show it. Me not feel obligated for them things there. Yes, I just need that in a nutshell. Yes? Flash out the new name. Flash out the new name. What's the new name, Marlene? Why new name? Oh, the dirty girl? What? Mackerel, no mackerel then call dirty girl. Country style. Yeah, man, me love me till mackerel. And Marlene don't talk up in my comment because the last time I come to Jamaica, you cook me liver it tough. Just to make them know. Yeah? And me still eat it although it is tough. You know so me love the liver. Yeah, man, me love the liver. Me love the liver. I don't think me do same way people you wouldn't believe. I'm telling us me I gotta give away some of me. I gotta give away some of the gadgets that Mama buy for kitchen. Yeah? I gotta give them one too. Cause it don't make no sense.
Flash out.
I'm
eating flash out right now.
Oh, flash out the name. Oh, because you flash it out of the can. Me never did know that. Flash out. Me love flash out. Me love flash out with white rice and some corn. Yes, man. Flash out. In a sound right when me say it, Marlene. Flash out. And a mackerel no more. Somebody a call. Who this? I wish man this. But see, what the hell this? One man come up on the chocolate over there afford. You fi see him. Lord Jesus, he lip that thick. Go and go look at him. Look at him picture. Murder! Yes. Alright, so we're going to play a game tonight. And the name is called Delusional. Right? So we are looking for 8 people to call in and play the game here. You are going to call and tell us something delusional. Alright, for example, let me give you an example. Like me being delusional, wanting vanilla to be black when she's white. Me being delusional, wanting auntie to have 1 wig when she probably have 100 wigs. That's me being delusional, right? Me can go on and on. Yeah. So it's gonna call the delusional game tonight. Or no have to call and tell with something. Delusional.
Saying somebody's progressive when they're really stagnant.
We not showing no shade by nobody.
No, I didn't call no damn.
Me not showing no, we not no shading.
No.
We just want ear delusional. Cause right there so now people are going to think say, yeah, shade them. You come up with the line there.
Well,
you understand?
the catfish, sorry, wear it.
Me know you're a bad girl, but me not a bad girl. You understand? I'm going to go back in my master, be a character. Me not a bad girl. You understand? So.
Alright, the number is pinned.
Delusional. It's like.
No name calling, please.
Yeah, no name calling. Delusional. It's like, may I use her name? She can't do me nothing. She can't do me not a damn thing. It's like auntie asking for donation and nobody not donate. That is delusional. Alright. Yes. Delusional. It's the delusional game tonight. So come with the delusional. The delusional sentences. Oh, no get the drifts? Let me see what them say. A stock is stock?
No.
Or a delusional. Thinking it's stock. It's stock, man. It now move.
No,
oh, there we go. Oi, Karen. Karen! Yes.
Karen,
it's the delusional game tonight. We have played the delusional game. Oh, and just for the records, I will go on anybody live, and once they have stars, once they have Cash App, once they have Zelle, and if it's somebody with super chat, whatever, once it's somebody with support, we will give whatever we want to give. Our money. Yes.
Yeah.
Just make it clear.
Yeah. Hold on.
Hello, good night. On a turn we down in our background or else we have to go hang up. It's the delusional game. Hello.
Hello.
Turn it this way.
Good night.
Good night. Come with the delusional self. What you delusional about?
I'm delusional about baking pallets of cakes when I'm not even baking one.
Jesus Christ. Who is this?
This is Pie Gordon.
Pie. All right, Pie.
Pie, me like your delusionalness still.
Hello.
Sending out pallets of cake. Master Baker can't taste.
Jesus, be a master baker. Know what kind of situation this you put me in. Anyways, text with your name and your telephone service. All right, it's not showing our number. All right, bye. All right, let me hear so our next delusional one here. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Yes, what you delusional about?
My 10-year-old daughter is rich.
Your 10-year-old daughter rich?
Yeah?
Bugs.
Rich.
Rich. So tell me how she get her riches so say we can try and get some too.
To me, she actually was scamming brain for early.
Oh, Jesus God. Who's your scam?
Why? Anybody where she can scam out, so she said every day she rich. So to me, she rich.
All right, may we take it. Who's this?
Yeah.
Anissa, text with your name and telephone service, all right?
She wants to say something.
Let me talk to you, you little delusional child. Hi, princess. How are you?
I'm good.
Yes. I'm good. I'm good. Are you there watching us?
Yeah.
Your mommy says that you're delusional. Is that true?
Yes.
It is? Why? Why you think you are delusional? Huh?
Rich, I've been out of money.
You're rich and you know the money, but you have to think rich. Then you'll get the money and work towards being rich. So you can be rich. That's not a delusion. You don't have the money yet. Oh, that's good. So that you're not delusional. You're working towards being rich. Keep on working towards being rich, okay? That's not being delusional.
Okay.
All right,
All
sweetheart.
right.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So cute. Hello. Good night.
Hello, good night, Queen.
Good
night,
night.
good night.
Good night. What are you delusional about?
My little granddaughter, if you just have a little light skin, she said you're white.
Oh!
No, you're black. She said, no, I am white. I am not black.
Okay, I like this one. Who am I speaking to? All right, Jennifer, go ahead and text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
Have a good night, Queen.
You too.
You
You too.
too. Hello, good night.
Oh, good night, Queen.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.
What are you delusional about?
I'm telling you, just another my neighbor, little one.
It's very low, and my thing isn't working. I haven't set it up with the new one. Go right ahead, Queen.
I think I'm delusional with my neighbor. Don't want to begin to from our history anymore.
You're delusional because your neighbor doesn't want you to pick his June plum off his tree anymore.
Right.
How comes you're delusional about that?
And there's no true plum tree over there.
Who am I speaking to? Alrika, text us your name and your telephone service.
That was a good one.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
What are you delusional about?
Born in the home, not the gas don't come on.
You're delusional because the gas finished on you?
Yes, born in the home, not the gas finish on it. I don't know what I'm going to
Yes? How are you delusional about that?
Because the pump spoiled.
Because the what?
The pump that fell spoiled and I have orders for them.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's not being delusional.
Yes?
That actually happens.
No, I don't have that.
Who am I speaking to?
Leslie.
Leslie, pick up yourself. Text us your name and
Pick
your
up yourself,
telephone
please.
service.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. I answered. What's going on? Hello, good night.
Can't hear nothing.
I can't hear anything. Call back. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Speak up for me. Sorry, because I didn't connect to my other tablet. All right, I have to set it up.
Hello, good night.
Good night. What are you delusional about?
I'm so important that everyone in the world is watching me.
Everyone in the world is watching you. You're so important. What makes you so important, my dear? What makes you so important? Do you have a platform out here?
No, I don't.
So you're just delusional about having a platform and everyone's watching you.
That everyone is watching me, yeah.
Got it. Who am I speaking to?
Marlene.
All right, Marlene, text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
Okay, Queen.
All right. Hello, good night.
Good night. What are you about?
Turn us down in the
Turn us
background.
down.
Hello, good night.
Good
Good
night.
night. What are you delusional about?
I'm delusional about the lottery, that I win the lottery.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
You
You're
want to
you
learn?
and a whole bunch of people
right.
have that delusion.
Lottery.
The lottery? How much you win?
2.5 million.
Oh,
2.5 million.
now go
What? Who am I speaking to?
Sure now.
Sharna, pick up yourself. Text us your name and your telephone service.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Queen.
You're welcome, Queen. All right, here we go.
Last one.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Hello.
Yes, good night.
Good night. Tell us your delusion.
Alright, I don't really know if this is really a delusion or what, but like right now, I wish I could fix a situation that God alone can fix right now. Right now, I wish I could fix my sister right now. She's really ill. And honest to God, I really wish I could fix her.
This is not a delusion.
That's
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, like,
Oh, you wish you could do it.
yes, I really wish I could.
Yeah.
Yes, so I really wish I could.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
sorry to hear about that.
Yeah, just take it to the Lord in prayer and trust and believe.
Yes,
All right.
yes,
Yes. All right. Who am I speaking to?
This is Tashi.
All right, Tashi, pick up yourself, Queen. All right, we're going to pray for your sister.
Yeah, she's battling on stage 4 cancer.
Oh,
I'm
gosh, I'm so sorry, Queen.
Yes.
All right, Queen, pick up yourself and hold on to God, all right?
Alright.
Keep praying.
All right.
All right.
Text us your name and your telephone service. All right, we're going to take the last one here. Oh, hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Yes,
Good night.
what are you delusional about?
Yes, see me, visually me traveling when I don't even have a visa.
So how much time you come a foreign? In your delusional state of mind?
Yes, but I will soon get there.
No, but me want to ask you how much time you come a foreign when you not actually come. Huh?
Oh, just a vision me coming there.
You just have vision you coming there. How far you get? Which airport?
I don't start yet. I don't reach that done yet.
Oh, yeah, manage. Who am I speaking to?
Juliet Davis.
Jolette, pick up yourself. Text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
Alright, bless you, darling.
Bless you,
you
Queen.
too.
Pick up yourself. Oh, I was having so much fun with the game
Man.
till me about Tasha's sister.
Right.
Yes. And now it's like, I can't even have fun no more. Don't feel bad, Tashi. It's just that I felt bad about your sister. And we will pray for her, all right?
Yes.
Kings and queens, that's the end of the game. It was fun. We just want to laugh. Laughter is good for the soul.
It is.
Yes, man. Big up on yourself.
Thank you so much for joining us.
You guys will see us back soon. Like we said, we're in the process now of getting. It's next weekend. That's
Yes.
Kylie's graduation
Next
party.
weekend.
So we have this weekend and into next week to get everything right.
Right. We're at a
And-
little over a week.
Yes.
Yeah.
And of course, we're going to bring you pictures and see if we can go live. And if
Yeah.
we decide to go live, you guys will be in it. I know you guys have been on this journey with
yes.
Kylie. Yes. With Vanilla and her daughter. And we are so excited. Yes, but you guys will see us back. Remember, it's the end of the month. Karen Blair, big up yourself. Yeah, we always want to come out and put a smile on y'all faces. Yeah, laughter is good. Remember, the end of the month is when we're going to give our do our barrel, our food barrel, our clothes barrel giveaway, and that Sheen shopping spree.
Yep.
All right, big up y'all self, and I'm still going to put some beauty stuff inside my barrel of love from my closet. I'm still going to put some beauty stuff in there. All right, bless up yourself, good luck, and I pray that God will let the right person win these barrels, because we want it to make a difference in your lives. All right?
Yes.
Big up yourself. I love you guys.
Love you
And
guys.
there's
Congratulations to all the winners. Please don't forget to reach out to us on WhatsApp with your name and your telephone service.
Yes. And thank you guys for coming along with me on my
Yes.
vacation. You guys were good behaving queens and kings. Yes. You guys allowed me to do a few dugu-dugus, and you didn't really peep in. You guys stayed outside where we got jiggy with it. Sorry to have to put you outside a few nights in a row, but that's how it goes. We talk about that. You guys know that we weren't going to let you in. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I know you guys peeped through. And you saw me, and y'all shocked because you didn't know I could move like that. Y'all saw me doing Master Baker and chocolate and all of that, but you didn't see the mismentioned side of me.
Oh.
Yes, man, the mismentioned side of me. Y'all didn't see that.
That's right, Leslie.
And now you all got a chance to see that. Better not look upon me differently. You understand? Some are only out there complain. Some are locked on the outside and not giving nothing for drink. Some are only say they ain't get no food. I mean, I was busy dugu-duguing. You don't expect me to do all of that? Be on a waiter and waitress? No. I'm going to sit down out there until I finish dugu-duguing. And thank you guys for doing that. You understand? National, every minute she did come out the window, come knock. You understand? We get sick and tired of her. You understand? She couldn't just, she can't keep still. Every minute she come, when she don't want to come concert, she want to use the bathroom. She comes and I tell
she
me
didn't
she
see,
thirsty.
but she hear. She hear Uno.
Yeah.
She said she didn't see nothing, but she hear
But
you.
listen, Patricia, she out there on her phone. Loud pan top of her voice, make me couldn't focus. You
lose focus?
Me lose focus.
Patricia, you made her lose focus?
Couple of times me lose focus. Me lose Laurel Guy Gibson. She made me lose balance one at a time.
Really?
Yeah, because fear skin light and she put it up to the window and me think say, me say, damn, a vanilla reach over there. But me not be left vanilla in the United States. Shut the hell out of me. And at that time I was, riding. Yes, vanilla.
Oh.
Yes, that me did that. Oh. But Laurel, she did that.
Laurel. You didn't see Laurel?
Ardet. She not tap call the phone. Inside. Every minute she call. Yeah. Hear what she a call about now. She can tell me say she out there. I try make a call and she lose Wi-Fi connection. So how you find Wi-Fi to call me in the room? Me say me have to deal with them one night. Vanilla. Yeah. Win some she now. She a go call me and I go tell me say she try to go down at the bar to go get a drink. And people that not understand what she say. If me can come interpret. Them time there, me did I do lizard lap.
Oh. Oh, boy.
Rude.
Oh, boy.
Rude. Me put them in out of control.
Why?
Yes. Lataya she go call me and tell me say, she, I eat that thing me a go on with. Because she have a nice bed or yard. She not see reason why she have to come and me have to put her outside pan pool bed. And the mattress out there tough. You ever hear nothing like that? Yeah. I saw them call and behave. Yes. Marie Shorts now. She a go call me and say, oh, she not hear no music in her room I play. Me need to turn on Luther Vandross. All of them sitting there one with me over there. Yes. All of them things there. Yeah.
Wow.
All of them. Juliet I go call me now. Say she go down at the restaurant down there. And she a look for oxtail. And no oxtail no down there. She a look for fish. No stop at down there. So what if it do if me up in there dogo, what you want me to do? Go scale fish? And roast it here?
Maybe.
Yeah. Them things that me then go on with on a vacation. Yeah. Yes. Yes. All of them. Out of control. Out of control.
Yes, sir.
Out of control, man. Sashira. She see when I look a man down there. What she like.
Really?
She got call me, you know. Me inside a dog. She got call me. And I say if it'll be a problem, if you can just come by the pool, come check her. What you need for call me for? What you need for call me for? Why not I try distract me for? Me not care no back with me. Not. Marshall, you now make me start with you. Don't make me tell them what you do. Yeah? You and Pat Mullins. Now make me tell them. Now make me tell them. Me not even gonna bother tell. Fools, no matter me. You know what them do?
What?
Climb up on the bathroom part. You remember the bathroom part on my show? And you know I'm afraid of lizard. Them try to fling down one rubber lizard through the sun.
Oh!
Pam me.
Oh!
Yeah, that's what them try
Oh!
to do. Me not bringing them back. Pam me vacation with me.
Oh,
None
boy.
at all. None at all.
Why?
None at all. None. Try to stop. Karen Blair. She ever call my room. She ever call me. This a when time. Me not gonna tell her position me in after that one, yeah. Cause me no want Karen no.
Oh.
Karen Blair, she ever call me and ask me if me not know say Ashanti live. What that have to do with me? Karen. I go ask me if me not know.
Say dugu.
Yeah, if me not know say Ashanti live. Hey. Ashanti over there I sell cake. That's what she gonna call me in my room and tell me.
And you dugu.
I'm me a dugu. At them behavior there? Yes.
No, sir.
Yes. Them sitting there, me have to go through my vacation. I'm not carrying on. I'm not taking on anywhere with me again. Not. It done. It done. It
No,
done.
sir. Uno na easy.
Done. It done. Pie too. She ever call me and ever ask me if me not hear say auntie fling out couple of stone and bust up head.
Really? Bust up head?
Auntie fling stone and bust up head in our
Really, Pie?
From Jamaica to America.
Uno na easy. Uno na easy
So
at
me
all.
say, so what you want me can do? You want me take back a plane come to America to come dress people bust up head? You know see me in here a dogo.
Wow.
Try to stop me. Yeah. I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about
Love
it.
you guys.
Have a wonderful
Thank you so
night.
much for joining us.
Good night.
Take care. Bye-bye.